To fix Kucoin verification code not working, start by checking your email inbox and spam folder for the verification email sent by Kucoin. Ensure that you have entered the correct email address during the registration process. If you have not received the verification email, try resending it from the Kucoin platform. Next, check if the verification code is correctly entered. The code is case sensitive and must be entered exactly as it appears in the email. If you are using a mobile device, ensure that the autocorrect feature is turned off to avoid any mistakes. If the issue persists, try clearing your browser cache and cookies. This can resolve any technical issues that may be preventing the verification code from working. You can do this by pressing the Ctrl-Shift-R keys on your keyboard or by going to your browser settings and clearing the browsing data. Another possible solution is to try a different browser or device. Sometimes, the issue may be specific to a particular browser or device, so trying a different one can help resolve the issue. Additionally, ensure that your account is not banned or restricted. If your account is restricted, you will not be able to use the verification code. You can check the status of your account by contacting Kucoin support. It is also important to note that the verification code is only valid for a limited time. If the code has expired, you will need to request a new one. You can do this by going to the Kucoin platform and clicking on the Resend Verification Code button. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact Kucoin support for further assistance. They will be able to provide you with more detailed guidance and help you resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Kucoin verification code not working issue and complete the verification process successfully.